Jeep Wrangler 2019 fuse box, split in pieces, and it's coming error, low fuel pressure. It's petrol car. So much fuses in board. Board looks simple, but what I found, it's burned one connection, one cable, and it's not coming for fuel pressure. No, fuel pump relay is not working. Everything else looks nice. So try to fix this and see what happens. Here is open circuit, yes. Circuit especially here.